Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we got the Fed out of the way yesterday, and it looked like when I did the evening recap last night, it looked like we kind of we didn't really go anywhere. And in the overnight, it looks like the bulls have taken control a little bit. I always say, do not buy strength, do not sell weakness, because strength buyers and whole shorters get taken out in body bags. And that is what is happening in the overnight. Everybody that got super excited about us going off the cliff here as we dipped down below 1681 yesterday just got run right out of town. Up here, you want to short it? Short it when we're getting big ticks and an extension up in this area. Don't wait for everybody that was trying to tell you that you're going to buy up there, that you wanted to buy looking for higher prices. They're the ones that are going to tell you to short it down there. The lifespan of people that does that, their trading lifespan, is not very long. Things revert to the mean. Sometimes it takes a while, but they do revert to the mean. So, fading that against a level you can lean on. Because see, here's my problem with buying strength and selling weakness. Let's say I buy the 93s because I think they're going to 1703. What's my stop? What's my stop? Unless it's just some arbitrary number of handles, in which case I think you're just guessing at the market. It's got to be 1681, doesn't it? If you're long. Okay? Because that's where you came from. So I don't trade the mini with 13 handle, 12 handle stops. And how would that go anyway? You would have got stopped out, turned around, and you'd be just about ready to, tear your walls down at this point. Same with the whole shorting. If you short this down here, where's your stop? 94s? Come on. Versus selling a strong move. Okay, when things start to fail, you can lean on the 94 level. If we make new highs, then we probably go up and print 96, 97, make new contract highs, go look, or new continuation highs rather, and go take a look at 1700. But at least you can control your risk. Same down here. You want to buy it down here? Fine. Where's your stop? How about 80? 79.5. That is a stop that fits with what's happening in the market. Not that fits with some arbitrary number of handles that is your stop. Okay? That's guessing. Dealing with moves like that, the way I'm saying, is trading, with risk. Your risk reward is where you want it to be. So I don't usually throw trading lessons out like that. I know that's not really why you guys tune in, but there were some things happening in the market yesterday, and I think there's some lessons to be learned about what you should buy, when you should buy rather, and when you should be selling and what you should be looking for. And these are things we talk about in the chat room every day. So today, what are we looking at? I got a daily and 3-day pivot zone here, 85 quarter to 86 half. Then you got the weekly pivot in the 9-day sitting in underneath at 83.75. Now, I talked in the video last night about that kind of being a range, and if you win that zone. Well, right now the bulls are winning the zone. They tested it for a while. They broke out above it. It held here, and we're still above it. I would expect it to be retested today during regular trading hours. You may even get a retest of 81 to see if it's kind of the real deal, although I would expect kind of a higher low. I'm thinking we get a walk up into NFP tomorrow. That said, this up 11 handles, up as high as 94, that may be the walk up. So Europe may have stole the move yet again. So again, be very careful buying strength. Wait for it to pull back. Look for a level you can lean on. Then you want to get long? Be my guest. Same thing with being short. If you want to get short up here, that's fine. I think your high has got, we've double topped theoretically on this chart, at least at 1594. So you can put a stop up above that and see if maybe you can pick the top in the market. But understand what you're doing. You're trying to pick the top in the market. That usually doesn't go very well. So, and we have a gigantic shoe to drop tomorrow morning at 8:30. Big shoe. Okay? let's just do 10 seconds on the daily, and I'll let you guys go. 70 is a floor. Now they're trying to make 80 a floor. That's not good news for the Bears. Okay? If we're going to roll over, the Bears need to start to make some noise here pretty quick and get it down below the middle Bollinger Band. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the chat room. Take a couple-week trial, see if we fit in with your trading. I'll be back tonight with an evening webcast, and tomorrow morning with another pre-market webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.